In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and create your Google My Business page to help you stand out on Google, the world's most popular search engine, and do it for free. What I'm going to do is show you how to get this set up for free so you can get the maximum exposure possible to your Google My Business page. And the really cool thing is if you set up your Google My Business page properly, you optimize it properly, then when someone searches for a realtor in Dallas, Texas, or a realtor in Miami, Florida, or wherever you are, you can show up if it's optimized properly on page one, and that gives them the opportunity to work with you or reach out to you. And you didn't pay zero in any type of ad spending, so zero ad spend cost. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and jump over and show you right now how to do. Okay, so you should come to a screen like this. So if you already have a business that's set up in Google, that's part of maybe a Gmail email you created, then you can type in your business name and it's already here. But if you're new or if it's not, then what you want to do is add your business to Google. So click here. And then here you want to put in a business name. So with this being specific to realtors, then you want to make sure and put in your name. I'll just type in mine, Alita Sheriow. You can put in real estate agent. Or realtor. So if you want to do realtor, Alita Sheriow, real estate agent. And it's important that it's specific to what you do. Again, Google loves it when you're specific. And for anyone that's searching for a real estate agent in your particular market, then it'll be easier to optimize and for them to find you, for Google to optimize and find you, okay? So for the business category, you want to put in or start typing in right here it has real estate agency or real estate agent. So if you're part of a team or an agency, then you can use agency. But if you're just a solo agent, then you can choose real estate agents. Click next. And here it says, do you want to add a location? Customers like to visit a store office. So here, again, Google likes the most updated information that you provide for your profile. So if you have an office, a brick and mortar, and the broker that you're with, then yes, you do want to go ahead and add that location. So you can simply click here and then you can type in the location. If you don't, for the purpose of this particular video, I'll just hit no. But again, you want to choose yes. So I'll just click no. If you don't have an office, obviously a brick and mortar, then you can choose no. Where do you serve your customers? Optional. Here you can add the areas that you provide. So if one of your main target markets is, let's say, Dallas, Texas, then you want to add that. Okay. If you have other areas that you also work in, then you can add those as well. But you definitely want to make sure that your main market is listed first, and then you can add the others. I'll just add maybe Fort Worth, Texas. Okay, so once you do that, you click next. It has add your contact information. You want to add your phone number, the best phone number here. That they can reach you. I'm just typing in something here. And you want to add a website. So you need to add a website here. If you don't have a website, I understand, but you need to add a website. And if you're with a broker, hopefully you're with a broker that will, give you a website that you can use for your business, because it's extremely important for this particular example. Then you want to make sure and add your website. So I'll go ahead and add mine. Let's see. Yep, that's it. So I'll put it here, click next. Then it says, stay in the know. Want updates, recommendations for your business? I would say yes. It's always good to get updates and stay up to date. See what changes and features, in which one particular feature which they just added that you must use and have. And continue to watch, because I'm going to share what that is here shortly. So click next. And then it'll take you here to please verify your mailing address. Now, this is important. So you're not going to go live on Google. They're not going to be able to rank you, your Google My Business profile, if you do not do this step here. So I've already done it for my profile, but you want to make sure that you add an address here, and it needs to be a physical address. It cannot be a PO box. So if you work from home, or if you have an address, it's like a virtual address, then you can use it, but it has to be a physical. It has to be a physical address. So I'll go ahead and verify later, but you have to do this step and verify, because you'll get a little postcard with the code once you put your address in within about 3 to 5 business days, and you'll have to enter in that code to continue and to complete the verification and the setup of your Google My Business page. So we'll do this later. And here you want to add your services. So for real estate agents, it's got appraisals here. I'll keep that. And you can hit plus and add some others. You can just start typing in, say the services you offer. Let's see, real estate sales is one. Also, you can add first-time home buyers. And so on and so on. So you can add multiple, all right? But I'll go ahead and go to next. And here you want to add your business hours. So you can go in here and customize and for each day that you're open and add the hours. So, and just, with the time you open and the time you close, and do Monday through Friday, Monday through Saturday, whatever your hours are, but you want to go ahead and do that. So I'll skip this for now. Now here, they most recently just added this feature, adding messages. You do want to keep accept messages. This is huge, because what happens is if a potential client Googles, real estate services, real estate agents in your area, and they find your profile, right? And they click on it. And let's say they don't want to call, but they want to send you a message. Then this gives them the opportunity to do that. So I strongly, encourage you to go ahead and make sure that you turn this on and accept messages. So we'll click next. And here is where you want to add a business description. So you want to add a business description, and you really want to be thorough. You want to add about 4 to 5 to 6 sentences here, and share exactly what you do and the services you provide, maybe a little bit of who you are, and if there's a specific niche, say for instance that you specialize in working with veterans, then this is where you want to spotlight and share that, okay? I'll go ahead and click skip. And next, now you want to add photos. Now with your photos, it's important to remember you want to add photos here, okay? And you want to make sure that the photos are professional or that they are clear. So people are visual, right? People are visual. So you can add photos of maybe properties you've sold, images of you at the title company, possibly with clients, testimonial. Of course, with the permission of any of your clients that you've worked with or took images with. If they've done that, then they've given you that permission. You can use that, but you want to make sure and let them see, get a visual of what you do and the services that you provide, and maybe, again, testimonials with other clients that you've worked with. And also adding photos help your profile rank better, rank higher. So it's important that you add photos to your profile. Okay, so right here, they want us to go ahead and set up an ad, but of course that's not what we're going to do. That's why I'm sharing in this video some tips and strategies to help you to be able to rank organically without having to pay for any advertising. So we'll just go ahead and click skip. And it says your business profile is almost ready, so we're going to go ahead and continue. Okay, so it takes us here to a quick overview of what we just created, all right? And right here where it says verification needed, if you click here and verify now, this is where you have to enter in your physical address to go ahead and get verified, right? So that has to be done before your profile is active. And let me go ahead and get back to where I was, because there's another thing that I want to show you. So once you get verified, you want to go ahead and get reviews. So this is huge. So the more 5-star reviews that you get on your page, that's going to help you rank. All right, that's going to help your overall Google My Business profile to rank higher within the search engine. So this is huge, and I actually have a video that I'm going to be recording soon to show you how to get reviews at ease. And this is from past clients that you've worked with, and even colleagues and different people maybe that you've worked with or that you've helped. Not necessarily buy or sell a house, but maybe you gave them, some great advice in the business, and I can show you, and I'm going to show you how you can get them to leave you a 5-star review. But this right here is huge. All right, this is right here is huge. So once you get verified, you want to share the link that's provided to get reviews. And again, I have a video that's coming out that's going to show you exactly how you can get a lot of reviews from past clients that you've worked with. Just to show you how powerful this is, I went ahead and at the top here, I just typed in Realtors in Miami, Florida in Google. And over here on the left, is what came up in the search. So I went ahead and clicked on Miami Realty Solutions Group. And as you can see, they have 89 Google reviews, right? It's page 1, and they're 4.8 stars. So if you click on it and you kind of scroll down, you can see all of their information here, the location, their address, also the images. They got products here. They also have photos here that they've added, right? And you can also see the reviews that automatically come up. So again, if you're interested in learning more about how to get these reviews, I have a really cool way that you can do that. Just type in the comments below, yes, Lo, I'm interested to learn more about getting reviews, and I will go ahead and send you that information. Well, I hope this video was helpful and was able to give you, a clear way to go ahead and set up your Google My Business profile so that you can get just the maximum exposure for your business for free, and leveraging these tips and these strategies without having to pay for paid advertising. Now, if you do not have a Google My Business profile, then make sure to look at this video again, okay, and pause it and get set up. If you already have a profile set up, then again, you can go back and look at this video and make the modifications and changes that I suggested in this video. But the main thing is you want to make sure you get verified as soon as possible. That is key. And also to start getting reviews. And again, if you're interested in learning how to get reviews from your past clients, I have a very awesome way that you can do that for free. Just make sure to comment below and I'll get that information to you. Lo, yes, I want to get reviews, and I'll get that information to you. Did you like this video? Was it helpful? If so, please make sure to comment, like it, and also subscribe and share it, and look for other videos to come out to help you grow and scale your business. Take action.